Hey, welcome to Tech with Mannat. Today I will tell you how to download Google Chrome offline installer. You can install in 32-bit and 64-bit with same way. Just open your Chrome browser. Right here, Google Chrome offline installer. Now click at download and install Google Chrome. After that, click at alternate Chrome installer. Now click on the option in blue color, download Chrome. The Chrome will be started to download. It's very easy. Friends, finally it's done. If you really like this video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more videos. Wait for my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.